How to print from a MacBook Air. Printing from a MacBook Air is straightforward once you set up your printer correctly. Follow these steps to print documents, photos, or web pages. Step 1. Connect your printer. Option A. Wireless Wi-Fi printing. 1. Turn on your printer and ensure it's connected to the same Wi-Fi network as your MacBook Air. 2. On your Mac, go to Apple menu, System Settings, Printers and Scanners. 3. Click the plus Add Printer button. 4. Select your printer from the list and click Add. Option B. USB printing. 1. Connect your printer to your MacBook Air using a USB cable. 2. Your Mac should detect the printer automatically. If not, go to System Settings, Printers and Scanners and add it manually. Step 2. Install printer drivers, if needed. Most modern printers support AirPrint, so no extra drivers are needed. If your printer isn't detected, download drivers from the manufacturer's website, HP, Canon, Epson, etc. Step 3. Print a document. 1. Open the file you want to print, PDF, Word, photos, etc. 2. Press Command-P or go to File Print. Select your printer from the drop-down menu. 4. Adjust settings. Color versus black and white. Choose color for color prints. Paper size, A4, letter, etc. Orientation, portrait or landscape. Number of copies. 5. Click Print. Step 4. Troubleshooting common issues. Printer not detected? Check Wi-Fi/USB connection. Restart printer and MacBook. Reinstall printer drivers. Print quality issues. Clean print heads via printer settings. Replace low ink cartridges. Use high-quality paper for better results. Final step, confirming the print job. Check the printer's display for errors. If the job is stuck, go to System Settings, Printers and Scanners. Select your printer and check the queue. Done. You've successfully printed from your MacBook Air. For more updates, follow the Printer Zone.